The Motorola Edge 60 Pro are expected to deliver a significant leap in performance. This will likely be powered by the latest generation of flagship-tier processors from leading chipset manufacturers. Such a processor will ensure lightning-fast speeds for multitasking, seamless handling of demanding applications, and enhanced efficiency for improved battery life. Complementing this powerful silicon will be ample RAM configurations, potentially ranging from 12 GB to 16 GB. Internal storage options are also expected to 256 GB, 512 GB, and potentially a 1 TB storage. The display has anticipated a vibrant and immersive OLED display with a high refresh rate, likely 120 Hz or even 144 Hz. The resolution is expected to be at least Full HD+ or potentially even QHD+. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro is expected to feature a versatile and high-performance multi-camera system. The primary sensor is likely to see an increase in resolution, capturing more detail and offering improved low-light performance. The camera system will come 50 megapixel, undoubtedly be supported by advanced computational photography algorithms, leveraging AI to enhance image processing, scene recognition, and overall image quality. And the front camera with 16 megapixel features like optical image stabilization (OIS) are expected to be present to ensure sharp and steady photos and videos. Video recording capabilities are also likely to be advanced, potentially including 8K video capture and various HD video recording options. Battery technology and charging speeds are critical for user convenience. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro is expected to come with a large capacity battery to 6,000 mAh. We can expect ultra-fast wired charging speeds, potentially exceeding 125 watts, allowing users to rapidly replenish the battery in a matter of minutes. Wireless charging capabilities are also likely to be included and potentially see an increase in speed as well. Water and dust resistance with an IP rating is also a highly expected feature for providing added durability. Expectations include a powerful processor, a stunning high refresh rate OLED display, a versatile and high-performance multi-camera system, ultra-fast charging technology, comprehensive connectivity options including 5G and Wi-Fi 6 EE7, a clean and user-friendly Android 15 experience with timely updates, a premium design with high-quality materials and potential water, dust resistance, and advanced biometric security features. While specific details and any truly groundbreaking innovations remain to be officially unveiled, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is poised to be a significant contender in the premium smartphone market, offering a blend of performance, features, and design that caters to the demands of modern users. The focus on a clean software experience, coupled with advancements in display and camera technology, positions the Edge 60 Pro as a device to watch closely as its official launch approaches.